Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're checking out the best electrical screwdriver sets, perfect for any DIY enthusiast or professional electrician. These sets come with precision tips, insulated handles, and a range of sizes for safe and efficient work on electrical projects. We'll review the top models, their features, and why they're a must-have for any toolbox. All product links are in the description below. If you're ready to upgrade your toolkit, let's get started. Number 5. Miniware ES15S Electric Screwdriver Set. The Miniware ES15S electric screwdriver set brings a new level of intelligence and convenience to home and professional repair tasks. This USB rechargeable, cordless screwdriver is packed with features designed to make every project smoother, faster, and more precise. With 24 high-quality 4mm bits, it's ready to tackle a wide range of tasks, from assembling furniture to fixing electronics. One of the standout features is the intelligent body perception recognition, allowing for hands-free control. The ES15S senses motion and can switch between forward and reverse rotation modes based on your needs. Use somatosensory recognition for quick repairs or directional mode for more intensive disassembly tasks, adapting to different types of work seamlessly. The screwdriver's impact function ensures every screw is driven in securely, providing depth and stability even in tougher materials. Number 4. Bosch GO3 Cordless Screwdriver Set. The Bosch GO3 cordless screwdriver set redefines simplicity and efficiency in any repair or assembly task, making it a top choice for DIYers and professionals alike. With Bosch's trusted design and engineering, this compact yet powerful screwdriver offers performance that's easy to carry, store, and use. Powered by a reliable 3.6V lithium-ion battery, the Bosch GO3 provides consistent power without the need for constant recharging. This screwdriver boasts a brushed motor that combines Bosch's reputable efficiency with high torque output, capable of handling light to moderate tasks with ease. Whether you're assembling furniture, working on small repairs, or managing daily maintenance, this screwdriver is built to deliver reliable results every time. One of the key advantages of the Bosch GO3 is its intuitive design. A simple push activates the device, making operation straightforward and responsive. Number 3. BSD-102 Electric Screwdriver Set. The BSD-102 electric screwdriver set is designed to be your reliable partner for small projects and everyday DIY tasks. Compact, powerful, and economical, this electric screwdriver offers high performance and durability at a great value, making it an excellent choice for home and light industrial use. With a 220V power source, the BSD-102 electric screwdriver delivers a strong, consistent output that handles small repairs and light-duty assembly with ease. The high-speed motor significantly increases work efficiency, allowing you to breeze through tasks without unnecessary strain. Number 2. ARROWMAX M1 Pro Smart Electric Screwdriver Set. The ARROWMAX M1 Pro Smart Electric Screwdriver Set is a top-tier precision tool crafted for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts who value quality and control. With a blend of intelligent design, power, and usability, the M1 Pro is tailored to handle the delicate and precise work required in electronics assembly, repairs, and a wide range of home tasks. One of the M1 Pro's most impressive features is its 5-gear adjustable torque settings. This flexible torque range allows users to select the exact amount of power needed for each task, ensuring a secure and damage-free assembly, especially when working with fragile components. This feature is particularly beneficial for electronics and precision projects, where over-torquing can damage delicate parts. By accommodating various levels of force, the M1 Pro offers versatility for everything from intricate tasks to projects requiring a more robust approach. The M1 Pro also boasts a unique, ergonomic oval design that's a departure from traditional round screwdrivers. This innovative shape provides an enhanced grip, giving users more control and stability during use. The tool's compact size and carefully balanced weight distribution reduce hand fatigue, making it ideal for extended projects. The repositioned switch button near the head of the screwdriver further improves handling, enabling smooth, efficient operation whether you're fastening or removing screws. Number 1. WORX WX242 4V Electrical Screwdriver Set. The WORX WX242 4V electrical screwdriver set is a compact yet powerful solution for anyone tackling DIY projects at home. With its smart cordless design and USB rechargeable battery, this versatile tool brings convenience and efficiency to small-scale repairs and light assembly tasks. Complete with a 30-bit set, it's ready for a wide range of applications, from furniture assembly to electronic repairs. One of the standout features of the WX242 is its 4V brushless motor, delivering reliable performance and longer tool life compared to traditional motors. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you like this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.